Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. So many of you have requested me to create a perfect makeup base routine, that too under 1000 rupees. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this perfect makeup base, that too under 1000 rupees, by using just 3 products. Now, choosing your perfect base is so important, and I found a resume that fits me as I am, so I can be flawless and completely be myself. All you need to do is prime perfectly, choose a foundation that fits you perfectly, and find a compact powder that sets your base makeup on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't smudge throughout the day. And if you want to know how I got this beautiful flawless looking base by using just 3 products, then please keep on watching. But also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And now, without rambling much, let's get started. Alright, so let's get right into it, and there are 3 easy simple steps that you need to follow to achieve a perfect flawless looking base. Step 1, you need a primer to prep your skin really well so that your makeup, the base makeup, stays on you throughout the day and it doesn't move or doesn't budge. Step 2 is a natural looking foundation. This is gonna cover all of your blemishes, and if you have dark circles or pigmentation on your skin, this is gonna hide your imperfections and this is gonna give you a flawless looking base. And step 3, you need a compact powder to set the cream products on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. Now, before we get into the makeup, one thing I wanted to let you guys know, that no matter what skin type you have, no matter if you have oily skin or combination skin or dry skin, you need a moisturizer to moisturize your skin really well. If you have oily skin, you need a very lightweight hydrating moisturizer, and if you have dry skin, you can use a thick moisturizer, but please don't forget to use a moisturizer before doing your makeup so that your makeup doesn't look dry or flaky throughout the day. Today I'm going to be using the simple moisturizer. This is suitable for each and every skin type, and this is very lightweight and hydrating on the skin. Now, if you are someone who don't know what moisturizer is gonna suit you, definitely try this one out because this is suitable for all skin type. This is very hydrating and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and I'm gonna spread it all over my skin. Don't forget your eye area and also on your forehead. It feels so good. And now that my skin is nicely hydrated and moisturized, I'm gonna let it sit on my skin for a minute or 2, and then I will move on to the makeup. And till then, let's talk about the primers that I have. And you guys can see I have 2 primers here with me. The first primer that I have is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless one, and this is specially for oily to combination skin. And this one has a clay based formula, so if you have oily skin or if you have pore issues, this is gonna work perfect for you. And this is very hydrating on the skin as well, so this is not gonna dry out your skin. This is gonna hide your pores and imperfections, and also this is gonna control your oil and sebum production, as well as this is gonna make your makeup stay on you throughout the day, and also it makes your base look very nice, fresh and flawless. Now, as this has a very creamy, hydrating and lightweight texture, this is gonna control your oil and sebum production, but this is not gonna dry out your skin. Then I have the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy+Smooth primer, and this is specially made for normal to dry skin, and especially if you have dull skin, dehydrated skin, then this one is perfect for you. And also it has vitamin E in it, and how amazing is that. Now, this also has a very hydrating creamy formula, and also it has vitamin E in it, so this is gonna hydrate your skin really well. And as this one is a dewy finish primer, so if you have dull and dehydrated skin, this is gonna give some glow to your skin as well, and it looks really beautiful on the skin. And if you wear it underneath your makeup, this is gonna make your base more long lasting, of course, and also it makes your base look very nice and dewy and fresh, and it also keeps your skin hydrated, so your base makeup is not gonna look dry or crusty anymore. Okay, now the question is how to pick the right primer according to your skin type. If you have oily skin, if you have pore issues, and if you get oily on your T-zone area, then definitely try the matte and poreless one. This is gonna fill in your pores and also it's gonna control your oil production. And if you have dull, dry and dehydrated skin and you need some glow to your skin, then definitely try the dewy and smooth one. Now you might ask me why a primer is so important for your base. Now the answer is primer makes a barrier between your skin and your makeup, and also it holds the makeup really well so that it stays on you throughout the day. And especially if you have oily skin, there is a lot of oil and sebum production on your skin, and you guys know that oil breaks your makeup. So if you don't use a primer, your makeup is not gonna stay on you throughout the day. It might smudge and break down and it doesn't look good at all. And if you have pore issues, a primer helps in filling out those pores so that your base makeup looks nice and flawless. And if you have dry and dehydrated skin, your makeup is not gonna look nice on you if you don't hydrate your skin really well. So a hydrating and dewy finish primer works as a moisturizer as well. It helps your makeup stay on you throughout the day. It doesn't make your skin feel dry and crusty, and it looks very nice, fresh and smooth. Now I have oily skin. My T-zone area gets really oily and also I have pore issues, so I need a primer that's gonna hide my pores, that's gonna make my skin look flawless. And also I need a primer that's gonna control my oil and sebum production, and for that the matte and poreless primer is perfect for me. But I have tried both of them and both of them worked for me really well. So today, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use both of them. I'm gonna use this one on my T-zone area, and on the rest of my face I'm gonna use this one. Then I'm gonna use it right here, a little bit on my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm gonna blend it in circular motion. And also dab a little bit so that the product gets inside of your pores, and it feels so hydrating on the skin. But on camera you guys can see it has mattifies my skin a little bit, but my skin doesn't look dry matte. And also you guys can see it looks really nice on the skin. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this Dewy+Smooth one, and I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my face, as this one is a dewy finish one. So this is gonna give me a very nice and dewy look. It feels so hydrating on the skin. Oh my god, I love it. Ooh, can you guys see the glow? Oh my god. Now if you ask me, I really like them. It looks really nice on the skin. I absolutely love it, and they are very lightweight on the skin. You won't even feel like you are having anything on your skin at all. You can use them on its own or you can use them underneath your makeup, and they say that it also makes your makeup mask proof. Oh my god. Step 2 is our foundation, and today I have this natural looking foundation here with me. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation that has SPF of 22, and also it has a clay based formula, so this is really good in controlling your oil and sebum production, and it looks so beautiful on the skin. It looks flawless, it looks really fresh, and it doesn't dry out your skin. So this is a foundation that's gonna suit each and every skin type. No matter what skin type you have, this is gonna suit you, and I think this is the best foundation under 300 rupees. Now this is the mini version of the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. You guys can see this is the full size one and this is the mini one. Now this one was sent to me by the brand, but as I already have this one, so today I'm gonna use this one. And if you haven't tried it yet, this is the best option to choose from. Now if you are someone who haven't tried it yet, you can definitely go for the mini one, and if you like it, then you can definitely go for the bigger version of this. And if you get the bigger version, it also comes with a pump, which is really travel friendly, and it's fuss free and it's not that messy. So it's a great thing that now it comes with a pump. So I'm going to take about this much, and can you guys see the texture of it? It looks so beautiful, and look at that, it looks so creamy. I love this. And the best way to choose your foundation is swatch your foundation on your neckline. Start from here till here, like that. And please don't swatch it on your wrist, always swatch it right here, and just blend it really nicely on your skin. If it blends really well, it means it's your perfect match. And if you see the foundation is a little bit lighter or a little bit deeper and it's not matching to your exact skin tone, it's looking a little bit on the pinkier side or a little bit yellow side, so it's not a perfect match for you. The best way to choose your perfect foundation is go to a store and swatch it on here. But nowadays, because of the COVID situation, we cannot really go out to a store and choose our perfect foundation shade, and we get really confused while choosing our foundation online. And for that, you can go to the Maybelline New York website and you can try their virtual try on tool, and that's how you are gonna find your perfect foundation shade. And now let me tell you how to apply the foundation properly. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and I'm just gonna dot it on my skin like that. And then I'm gonna take a beauty blender and blend everything out. Oh my god, you guys, look at the difference, especially around my eye area. I don't even need a concealer, to be very honest, and I love the way my skin is looking. I always prefer this kind of method because that's how you have the control over your foundation and you are not going to use too much, because if you use too much, it's not going to look natural anymore. And can you guys see how beautifully it blends? And can you guys see, it doesn't look flat matte, it gives a little bit of sheen to the skin and it looks beautiful on the skin. I love it. And also it doesn't feel tacky on the skin, it feels really lightweight. You won't even feel like you are having anything on your skin at all. It just feels amazing on the skin. Now you need a compact powder to set the cream products on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. Now this is the best compact powder that's available in the market under 200 rupees. It retails for 199 rupees and this compact is so good. Oh my god, I would highly recommend this one. Just try this one out. I am using it non-stop. You guys can see me using this a lot in my videos. I love this powder and I would highly recommend this one, and it looks beautiful on the skin. And let me just show you, this one was sent to me by the brand and I already have this one, so today I'm gonna be using this one. So I'm gonna take some product like that and then I'm gonna set my under eye area and on my T-zone area where I get oily the most, and also set this particular area because nowadays we wear a mask, and if you don't set it with a powder, it's gonna move and smudge, so we don't want that. And guys, I hate using foundation on my neck, so sometimes I use a little bit of compact powder so that my face and neck looks like one piece. Alright, so my base is done and let me just give you a closer look so that you guys can clearly see how it looks like. And also I haven't used any setting spray, okay? I've just used 3 products and it looks so beautiful, so flawless. I love it. Okay, so this is the completed base makeup and I am in love with the way it has turned out. Under 1000 rupees, I don't think you can get anything better than this one. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts. And also let me just tell you guys, all of these products are non-comedogenic. It means they are not gonna clog your pores even if you wear them underneath your mask. They are not gonna make you feel uncomfortable, and also they are not gonna cause mask acne. And also if you touch your skin, it doesn't feel like you are having anything on your skin at all. It's that lightweight. Okay, now let me just complete the entire makeup and come back. Hey guys, what's up? It's been 3 hours I'm having this makeup on and my base is looking pretty much awesome. It's 1:15 now, and also I had my dinner. This is the reason why my lipstick is completely gone. Now before I take off my makeup, also I wanted to show you how it goes underneath your mask. Now I have this mask. Whenever I go out, I wear two of these. So first let me just wear it. And now let's see if it transfers on my mask or not. And all I can see is a little bit of lipstick and nothing at all. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful or not. I would love to know your thoughts. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one.